Hey guys, just a quick video on the Harbor Freight Central Pneumatic Blast Gun with gravity feed. It's got a 20-ounce hopper, cost about $17 or $18. When they have their parking lot sale, you can usually get it for a little bit cheaper. I also bought with it a Central Pneumatic black aluminum oxide 70 grit blast media. So let's get right to it. Opening the box, instruction manual, don't need that. Oops. Looks to come complete with the exception of the ear nozzle that needs to be screwed in, which I already have out. Let's open up our sand. Have a cup. Lid just pops off, pops on, pops off. Not going to put a ton of sand in. This video is just for demonstrational purposes. I haven't used it yet myself, so safety goggles. I've also got a respirator on it you guys cannot see. It says to run it at 90 psi is your working pressure, which I have set. Your material line. Kind of see it coming out. This here is a metal paint storage cabinet. It's got a nice lacquer finish on it. So let's see if we can't, oops, I guess don't tilt it forward or the material will come out. And yeah, took the finish right off. So I'd say quick, effective, efficient, cheap. Big thumbs up, guys.